Hey there, Matthew Palumbo from Stinger, and in today's video, we're talking about the PAC AmpPRO. Now, this amazing little black box takes all the complexity and confusion out of integrating with your factory premium sound system. So, let's dive right into the details. So what is the PAC AmpPRO and what does it do? The AmpPRO module and its included T-harness makes life easy. This simplifies integrating with your factory premium sound system. Now, if you have a base model vehicle where it just has a radio in the dash and 4 or 6 speakers, integrating with that is fairly simple, and there's lots of products out there to do so. However, if your vehicle came equipped with a factory premium sound system, one that generally includes a factory amplifier, this ups the complexity level dramatically. Many times with factory premium sound systems, the original manufacturer of the vehicle has included factory signal processing like equalization, crossovers, time correction, all-pass filters, etc. Now, all of those terms mean that it makes it harder for you to add aftermarket audio equipment and make it sound good. Not only make it sound good, but make it work correctly. The AmpPRO takes all of that out of the equation and simplifies everything. What this is basically an AmpPRO module, an included T-harness that's going to plug into that module and plug into your vehicle's factory wiring. Now, you can tell with these connectors, there's a male and female version. They're going to plug right into your vehicle's wiring and make it so that you aren't cutting anything and you're getting all the signals from your factory system. And then the AmpPRO module itself is interpreting those signals and giving you a clean audio output from its RCAs that you can use with your aftermarket amplifiers. Basically, this little black box is magic. This takes your complicated factory system, simplifies it, and makes the install as easy as if you already had an aftermarket radio. The AmpPRO is available for a wide variety of popular late model vehicles, so there's a good chance we have one that fits yours. Now, included in the box with every AmpPRO is, of course, the AmpPRO module itself. But the important parts are everything else that comes with it, such as the included volume control for your subwoofer. Now, this will plug straight into the AmpPRO module, and then it comes with a flush mountable rotary volume knob. Now, this can be flush mounted by drilling a small hole into your dash, center console, lower knee bolster, or virtually anywhere you'd like it to go. Also included with every AmpPRO is the all-important T-harness. This is what's going to make it so that we don't cut any wiring in your vehicle. Now, some AmpPRO modules will come with one harness that covers all the applications for that model. Others will come with several, and the instructions included will help you decide which harness to use for your specific vehicle. Not only does the AmpPRO simplify aftermarket amplifier installations, it also gives you the opportunity to do a high-end sound quality type install because the AmpPRO is compatible with Toslink optical output. So you'll notice next to these RCA outputs, there's also a optical Toslink connector. This allows you to directly connect into your digital signal processor, maybe like Audio Control's DM810 or a similar DSP. Now, one of the reasons that integrating with factory premium sound systems can be so complicated is that in many late model vehicles, the factory amplifier has a multitude of channels, and each channel is driving one particular speaker. So let's take, for example, a factory 8-channel sound system. Every channel of that factory amplifier is only feeding a specific speaker. So say channels 1 and 2 are driving the top dash tweeters in your vehicle. Channels 3 and 4 are driving the mid-ranges in the dash, and channels 5 and 6 are driving the front door speakers, just for example. Now, those first 2 channels driving the factory tweeters are only sending high-frequency information to those tweeters. They're not sending all of the frequencies there because the tweeter can't reproduce them anyway. So it is dividing up all of the sound into little chunks and only sending those frequencies to the intended drivers. Typical crossovers. However, if you were to take all of those signals and try to use signal summing to smash them all back together, it's a lot of work, and it really never quite turns out exactly the way we intend in many cases. The AmpPRO alleviates the need for all of that because we are interpreting the signal before it ever gets to that factory amplifier with its built-in crossovers. Instead, the AmpPRO is simplifying things by getting that digital signal, interpreting those ones and zeros, and giving us a 20 Hz to 20K flat, clean signal with no factory processing. That's no equalization, no all-pass filters or crossovers. All of that stuff is gone. It is a perfectly flat, clean signal, just like you'd get from an aftermarket radio. That signal is now ready to be passed on and fed in to your aftermarket DSP or amplifiers. Okay, so something you may not have considered is the warning chimes, tones, and buzzers that come with a lot of vehicles these days. You know, when you open your door, leave the keys in the ignition, leave the headlights on, that sort of thing, most vehicles make some sort of chime or buzzer tone through the speaker system. So what's the big deal, right? Well, if you go through traditional methods of factory integration, like a line output converter or high-level inputs on your amplifier, unfortunately, you're not only amplifying the sound coming from the sound system, but you're also amplifying those warning chimes. So what you end up with is warning tones and buzzers that are so loud, it literally makes you regret upgrading the sound system at all. The last thing any of us want when we're chasing better sound in our vehicles. So the AmpPRO takes those warning chimes and tones and actually reduces them to a normal level. So not only is it giving you pure, clean audio output, it's also taking all the headache out of integrating with those factory systems. Okay, so now that you know all about the PAC AmpPRO and you've seen just how much it can simplify OEM integration with your factory premium sound system, you're probably wondering if we make one for your vehicle. Well, that's simple. All you've got to do is go to pac-audio.com, enter your vehicle year, make, and model, and we'll show you what we have to offer. I'm Matthew Plumbo with Stinger. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one.